I was halfway through a croissant in a little cafe in Nice when I got the message. Flight canceled due to transport strike. Please contact your airline. I remember blinking at my phone like it had just insulted me. My return flight, the one I had meticulously planned around a conference and a friend's wedding back home, gone. Just like that. At first, I thought, okay, deep breath. I'll figure it out. But then I checked the airline app. No alternative flights for 3 days. 3. Days. Hotels were getting booked up fast, prices were doubling, and trains were either full or also delayed because of the strike. It was chaos. And suddenly my calm little French adventure turned into a logistics nightmare. I could feel that pit forming in my stomach, the one you get when your plans unravel and you realize it's going to cost you. Extra nights at the hotel, meals, transport, missing the conference, maybe missing the wedding. I stood on that little street in Nice with the sun beaming down, but inside I was just spiraling. Here's the thing now. A week before the trip, almost like a footnote in my planning, I'd bought travel insurance. Honestly, I didn't think much about it at the time. Just a quick recommendation from a friend, something she said saved her butt in Morocco. So I went with this service called Aura's Insure. I'll put the link below. Didn't cost much. Took maybe 5 minutes. Totally forgot about it. Until that moment. Until I was standing in a foreign city with no way home and everything starting to feel very expensive, very fast. So I opened the Aura's app. And there it was. Clear as day. Coverage for trip interruptions due to strikes. Not just medical emergencies. Not just lost luggage. Strikes. Specifically. I submitted the claim while sitting in the hotel lobby that night, still feeling a little skeptical, to be honest. I don't know. Part of me thought it would be like pulling teeth. Paperwork, delays, waiting on hold forever. But it wasn't like that. They asked for my canceled flight info and receipts for the hotel and meals. I uploaded everything. They actually responded the next day. And the money? It hit my account in a few days. I'm not kidding. They covered the extra hotel nights. They even reimbursed me for the train ticket I ended up using to get out of there. All in, I got back a little over $700. I didn't lose money. I didn't have to fight for it. And most of all, I didn't feel completely powerless in a situation that was totally out of my control. And that, I think, is the worst part when travel goes sideways. It's not just the money, although, yeah, that sucks. It's that feeling of what now? Like you're just stuck. There was a moment during all of this, the second night, when I sat on the balcony of the hotel I hadn't planned on staying at and just watched the street below. People were out laughing, drinking wine, totally unfazed. And I realized this could have ruined the trip, but it didn't, because I had that little backup. That small decision I made a week earlier, 5 minutes and a few bucks, it made the whole mess manageable. So yeah, now I don't travel without insurance. Not in a paranoid way. Just like wearing a seatbelt. It doesn't mean you expect to crash. It just means if something unexpected happens, a strike, a delay, a surprise twist in the story, you've got a soft landing. If you're wondering what I used, it was Aura's.insure. I'm sure there are others out there, but this one worked for me, and I trust it now. It's kind of my little travel hack, not flashy, not expensive, but it saved my butt. Anyway, that's what happened. Hopefully it never happens to you. But if it does, I hope you've got that backup plan. Because sometimes, even in paradise, things can go sideways. And it's nice to know you're covered. All right, that's it from me. Stay safe and travel smart.